Yo, Pro Crips. It's me, Fail Method 80 Methanol, for by the way. Fail Methanol 87, which is my very new account, and as you can see, I have freaking two hack clients over here. This this is the thing that I use, okay? And I didn't use them lately, and you just became dumb enough to report me without any reason. And for you to report me without no proof is just make you look dumb enough. Even a screenshot that I said I am a hacker, that isn't enough because you don't have any proof. You didn't see me using hacks except for now for this video, because you can see I just downloaded these two mods, okay? And for these two mods, as you can see, it's the Blue Official and Alpha Hack. So it works properly on servers like LBSG. But as I open this thing at, at the lobby, I get already kicked. I got kicked for almost 3 times already. And as you guardian or pro quips and etc., you doesn't have enough proof to show me or show anybody else uh, that I am a hacker and etc. I just said I'm a hacker. You just already reported me to that LBSG thing, and yeah, look, well, there's no thing here, oh. And that means I haven't used it yet. And by the way, my brother is using my account. And I at the last time I used, because my brother went to the comfort room, and I used his and hack account, by the way. Yeah, and I noticed guest guard name. I will protect anybody and etc from hackers and spamming curse words etc. My point is, don't report anyone, I mean anyone, from anything else, that even it's a joke, because it's a prank. By the way, it's a prank. It's not even real, as you can see here. This is just dumb thing. You just make a you just make yourself dumb as you make your own video for fail method 87. Yeah, so this will have a part 2 because my cell phone is really low on battery. So yeah,